Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c colon and simply press enter. Now we need to type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command, type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully, type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command, type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command, cd space c colon /. Let's execute this command, type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command, type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type attrib c colon /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type run space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.